It's really annoying when someone's pissing about with a phone when you want them to do something.
I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel. It's John here. It's the end of January. And how far have we got on the Rover 75? Well, the answer is not as far as I would have hoped. However, I have got a mid-week update for you. It's about a week since I released the last video. Dad's been doing a lot of work. As you can see, the front end's on. If you haven't seen that video, it's the last video on the channel. And we've just filmed another video, which is some work with regards to the front suspension. In this video, we're going to have a chat with Dad because he's been squirreling away in the background on the Rover 75 whilst I've been at work. And we'll get an update from him on all the things that he's done that we haven't really had time to film whilst he's been fettling with the Rover 75. Good afternoon. Hello, how are you?
I'm all right, mate, thank you. I'm going to sit down, then I shan't try to do stuff.
Yeah, don't do stuff while we're doing this. Last time we spoke, we'd had a big update on the Rover 75. We'd put the front end on, we'd cleaned the headlights. I'm just going to move this jack because it looks like you've got that growing out of you in an unusual place. What else did we do? We found some water in the back, put a sticker on, which I got frustrated with. And you found an electrical fault, or which we thought was an electrical fault. What have you done since I've been at work this week? Give me your weekly Rover 75.
Well, I went and got some new glasses. They're rubbish.
Oh yeah, actually, let's have a look at them.
Land Rover.
Oh, Land Rover.
Yeah.
Did they do a Rover 75?
No, they do Land Rover glasses. They break down, then you can't get the bits for them. So you leave it at your dealer for 6 months.
Worn by Wallies. Right, okay, so you've got your Land Rover glasses. I quite like them, actually. They're a bit swanky. How much of my inheritance were they?
Well, I'm having to pay monthly for them, so...
Oh, crikey.
These do everything. These actually see for me. When I see something now, it says, that car's shit, and it comes up in a corner and tells me now. I haven't got to work it out for myself.
Bloody hell. So you've got your new glasses.
Oh, crikey. Oh, what? Oh, that's
Which is why you've seen all these faults on the Rover 75.
That's right, me old.
What have you been working on? So you've got new glasses that's cost nearly the price of the Rover 75.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Well, I reckon the glasses will last longer than the Rover 75.
Yeah, probably. What have you found?
Not a lot really, my old mate. I've just been tinkering about cleaning the earths up, mending that interior light.
So we've got some photographs that you've taken to have a look at of the earths. What are we looking at in these photographs?
Not a lot really, it's just some earths that need taking off and cleaning.
So you've cleaned them.
It used to cause no end of trouble when there's new, so God wasn't the trouble that's caused when they're old.
What sort of trouble do you think they could have been causing?
Stupid faults with them.
Electrical faults?
Yeah.
Okay, so you've taken them off, you've cleaned them all up.
Yeah.
How have you cleaned them?
Why, wheel and a drill.
Okay, and they've come up nice?
Yeah.
What else have you done?
It's no good just tightening them though. You need to take them off and clean them.
Right.
I've done the ones under the bonnet as well, but...
How many earths are there? Quite a few.
Loads and loads. I've sprayed them all. But there's 4 in each A-post, and there's 2 on each side in the boot. I think there's another one somewhere in the boot. I can't remember now.
So you've had the earths off, you've cleaned them. What else have you done?
Mended that interior light.
Oh yeah, so I'll just take a look at the interior light quick. Now,
it was held in with that screw, wasn't
it? It was. It was held in by a screw for some crazy reason.
It was a mess.
There's the interior light working.
Doesn't look too bad now, does it?
Looks all right. There's no screw in it. So tell me what you had to do with the interior light and what the issue was.
2 faults with it. The tags are broken off, and they all do that. So I've stuck a metal bracket on just to stick behind the roof lining to hold it in like the tags would be. But the main problem was the bulb holders wouldn't stay in because the circuit board bit's broken. So I fabricated a bracket and just screwed the bulb holders down.
Which we can look at now.
Excellent.
You're doing a good job there.
Excellent.
How long does that take?
An hour before dinner.
Nice. What else have you done on the Rover 75?
I can't remember. Really.
Not a lot, really. The issue is we're waiting for that sill to arrive.
Yeah.
That's causing us an issue. It's coming from Poland. It's guaranteed to be here by the weekend. We've obviously fitted the...
I might be giving you a review of that company on the...
Yeah.
I might be giving a review on the internet.
Yeah, I'm not impressed.
No.
We've also fitted these, which are the sort of spring protector plates. They've been fitted. Something's on fire. Not
In
the Rover
hindsight, I could have driven to Nottingham and fetched them from Blooming Tom's, couldn't I?
Yeah.
I could have got on my bike and fetched them.
Yeah. And I've also fitted, you'll like this, the sticker that says YouTube John Coupland, ready for the Rustival Fest. What do you reckon to that?
If we get there.
What's left to do?
Mend that.
Mend the sill.
Yeah, that's it, isn't it?
And then we're done, aren't we?
Yeah, you've got to put some plugs in it, change the oil.
Oh yeah, we've got plugs, oil and filter to do. And then test drive, I suppose.
Clean it.
See how we go, and clean it. Thanks for watching this update. Are you enjoying the Rover 75?
Getting bored with it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, bored with it now.
Me too, I won't lie. We've been working on it, what, a month now?
No, not working.
On and off.
It's just been stuck in the way for a month, hasn't it?
Yeah, and we need to make space for that MX-5 that's coming next week.
If MX-5 comes, I'm not going to do any more cars for you ever again.
That's it then, a bit of an update on the Rover 75 for you this week. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, don't forget to hit the like button, please. It really helps with the channel, helps YouTube tell other people that you might like the video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. It's free to do and it helps us again. Until next time, have a great day, whatever you're getting up to. Goodbye. Could you be any more noisy whilst I'm trying to film?
Yep. I'll put some tools away.
Hey look, I've got something to show you. You'll like these.
Right.
That's to go on the car.
What? No, it's not factory.
Yeah, it's to go on the car for Rustival. I know, I hate myself too. That is to go on the car. What do you reckon to that?
I'm not going to get it finished, mate.
Huh?
I'm going to pretend I can't get this job.
Well, I've got the perfect place for it.
Yeah.
Job done.
I pretend I can't get the job done.
Just stick it there.
Don't want to be embarrassed.
If there's the outer sill.
I don't want to be embarrassed by it all.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you've got an influencer sticker now.
Yeah.
You can stick it on your bumming hat.
Stick it up your bloody ass.
I might put it there actually. Underneath the SGL Leyland sticker. What do you reckon to that?
I'm not getting involved.
I think you'll like it. Terrible.